Welcome back to another episode of FatRobsFishing. Today it's Saturday afternoon. It's about noon right now, and I'm headed out to one of my little local lakes by the house to get some kayak fishing in. Hopefully going to catch a few bass today. It'd be really nice, especially since last Saturday I skunked. So hopefully we're going to break that trend today and have some fun on the water. It's a beautiful day. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go fish the cattails over off my right and then work my way down. Drift with the wind a bit, you know. Oh yeah, that spinnerbait looks good in the water. Some kind of tangle in this line. It's hard to catch fish if your bird's nesting every 5 seconds, huh? What the cause of this is. I'm gonna try out these bad boys right here. Rage Tail Smoking Roosters. Gotta get one out. Disconnect it just to see. It's Okeechobee crawl color. See what it does. It is. It's a pretty big bait. See what it does. Wacky rig hook. I'm gonna go with one of these from VMC. It's a little bit nicer of a hook than what I have on. What does the hook look like for the wacky rig? This wind has picked up really bad. That's part of the reason I decided to stay local, just in case the wind got too bad. I'm about 15 minutes from the house, so I could just pack up and head home. Windy today, and it's supposed to be even windier tomorrow. Big butch just rolled up. I'm going to go into this little section real quick, see what it looks like. Last year I lost a big bass in here. gets rough, we go to the Zoom Finesse Wacky Rig. Brown orange swirl. That's the money bait right there. We skunked last Saturday. Can't do it 2 Saturdays in a row. Cut up a little grass down there. That's something small. Probably a little bluegill. What do y'all think? Just another one. There it is. They're tiny. It's got to be a little bluegill just messing around. Well, it's now 5:15. Sun's getting ready to go down, and I still have no fish. Had 2 bites all day. And I think we got in the water, what, 1:30? Time we got onto the water. But yeah, no fish. 2 bites. And I'm pretty sure they were bluegill. It's getting cold. I'm pretty close to the time to call it quits. I didn't bring any night gear, like any lights or anything to fish at night. I can't believe that it's such a tough bite. I mean, the water is cold, 50-some degrees. It's pretty cold for out here anyway. Well, sun's going down. Our sun's gone down. Still out here grinding. And not a bite. I'm not the only one. Butch hasn't cut anything either at this point. I think it's going to be 2 Saturdays in a row that I skunked. And Sunday, I looked at the weather, it's going to be a windy day. I won't fish like that. I won't get out of that again. Someone must have fed all the fish before I got here. I just lost one. That was a bass. A little one. Huh? They won't bite. It's like he's nitpicking. I got him this time. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Creature bait. Huh? A creature bait?
Oh, creature bait? You're killing them with them creature bait. You have to catch one on a creature bait.
There we go. Caught one. How about those coyotes? That's gonna be the end of it for me. Caught a bass. Butch caught a bass. It's dark. I didn't bring my lights today. It's time to go home. Watch some TV. And call it a night. Get some warm dinner as well.